Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to password protect Brave browser. It's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here's how you can password protect the Brave browser. Firstly, open the Brave browser and click on the three lines at the top left corner. Click on extensions from the menu. At the extensions page, navigate to Web Store. At the search bar within the Web Store, type lock browser. Then, hit the enter button. Choose set password from the search result. Then click on add to Brave, followed by add extension. Set your desired password when prompted. Then click OK. Now, whenever you open the Brave browser, it will prompt you to enter the password to access it. This is how you can add a password protection feature to the Brave browser. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.